Hi everyone, I'm back. And now we are going to go through the keypad
Record video
layout
button.
on
Take picture.
the
Speech off.
BCD436HP. And in the second video, we are going to go over the SDS100. So let me grab the 436. Yeah, if I could find it here. Ah, here it is. All right. And this is just the layout of the keypad. There's going to be more information on the linked user-friendly manual for this unit that's on the internet. But I'm going to start from the top to the bottom, and we'll start on the left-hand side where our two buttons there are menu or function is the top, which is ribbed, and then the menu button is right below it. On the right-hand side is just a little port set with a micro USB port for your GPS and a regular USB for configuring it and controlling it and setting it up to the computer. Now, at the very top, here is the scroll key, which if you press in and then turn up and down, that's a volume. You hit function, and then the scroll key, it turns into your volume control. Now, very top part of the unit is the display, and the keys, I'm going to work from the left to the right. In the far left row, we've got avoid, which is like lockout, replay, which is a key that you use to either record or play. And as I said in another video, you can figure the unit to save up to 240 seconds of worth of calls, so it's 4 minutes. Below that is the zip code key, which is used for instances when you want to search and enter in or program your unit with the zip code, which I don't recommend because you can't really customize your raw material. And then a recess key is right below the zip code key, which is the power on and off. And when you turn it on, you press it and you'll hear some tones. It's loading. And when you hear the single beep, it means that it's open to favorites list. And in this case, I just have my local public safety trunk system open. So to turn on a favorites list, you just press its number and press enter. And when you press enter and it does something that's valid, you'll hear this. Now, unfortunately, you cannot have those tones reversed. So if you turn something on, it won't go, from low to high, but it's always high to low no matter what. Now, to the right of the avoid key are the numbers, and the numbers are arranged like that of a standard phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with 5 having a bump dot, 7, 8, 9. Decimal point or no, which is no is like when you want to cancel something that you're into. 0, then enter. Finally, the bottom 3 keys are system, department, and hold. And again, the linked manual will explain in more detail about these. Now, when you turn it off, the tones will reverse and go down that way.
Speech on. Stop. Take picture. Stop.